Rockford Chimney Supply presents installing the Rock Vent Class A metal roof flashing. The first step is to mark the center point of the hole that will be cut through the roof. I like doing this by running a screw through the underside of the roof. Then you are easily able to locate the screw on the top side. And next you'll need to mark for the hole to be cut through the roof. Remember that the Class A chimney pipe requires a 2-inch clearance from combustible material. This requires the hole to be cut a total of 4 inches wider than the outside diameter of the chimney pipe. Once the hole is marked, you can use a sawzall to cut the hole in the roof. Locate the metal roof flashing installation instructions and cut off the top excess paper over the cut line. Next, you'll center the flashing over the hole cut and mark where the top of the triangle is. Then next, you'll align the metal roof flashing installation instructions on that triangle and tape the metal roof flashing installation instructions to the top of the metal roof. Using an angle grinder, you'll then cut along the cut lines of the metal roof flashing installation instructions. Once you have cut the top of the metal roof, you will then tuck the lip of the flashing underneath the metal roof on the top side. Once the flashing is tucked underneath the metal roof on the top side, you will need to mark the bottom side of the flashing where the corrugations are on the roof. And then you'll take an angle grinder or tin snips to cut out the bottom section of the metal roof where the corrugations are. That way the metal roof flashing will sit down flush on the top of the roof. Once the flashing is sitting flush on the roof, you can use metal roofing screws and tack down the flashing to the metal roof. Once all the fasteners have been applied, you can then use a high-grade outdoor silicone and seal all around the metal roof and the top of the screws. Then once the flashing is in place, you can finish it off by installing the last section of flue pipe. And then next, install the storm collar. Make sure to bend over the tab and run a sheet metal screw through the tab of the storm collar. Then apply a healthy bead of silicone around the storm collar where it meets the flue pipe. And lastly, you can finish it off by installing either our standard rain cap, our wood style rain cap, and there you have it. That is the installation of a Rock Vent Class A metal roof flashing. If you still have questions about the metal roof flashing, feel free to reach out to one of Rockford Chimney Supply's certified technicians. They would be happy to help you. They can be reached at our toll-free number, 866-708-2446, or visit www.rockfordchimneysupply.com. And from all of us at Rockford Chimney Supply, stay safe and stay warm by the fire.